Are you okay with that? Are you? Hey, you okay with that? Who is this? And who's the author? I'm the person writing it for you. You had to just write it out. He just walked in and said, I'm guilty or whatever that says. And did it have everything on him? Had everything except for one thing. Didn't say how sorry I am. Because you were not lying. You're possessed by 70 million people. Actually, it's just guilt. You know, I see these people, they're just kind of superimposed over them. They just need to be, have their truth told. That's it. Like, everybody deserves that, you know? Everybody. So, I have no idea. I mean, we do know those laws have defined lines. Defined lines. Nobody changed them. You can't change it after the fact. That's not how laws work. Just to make it soft for the guy on top. Just make it soft for the people that are supposed to be taking care of people. We know that. I mean, you got voted in. Nobody sat and bitched about it. Just accepted it. I mean, we felt it. You can feel an air. You can feel a room. Or you could just be a baby about it. We didn't need anybody sitting in court, the bottom lip out, saying things like they could do whatever they want. You know, if I was ever going to run for president, I wouldn't even run for president. I mean, I got shit to do. I'm not perfect. I'm human. And yeah. Yeah, I know. I'm documenting it now. Who's this? I have no idea. I don't know. We'll talk about that later. We got a lot of stuff to do. You know? It's neat, huh? This stuff just kind of popping out. Hello. You should say hi. Mm. Sometimes the air just feels like it's buzzing with people. It's just people, you know? It's energy. It's intelligent energy. I mean, duh. I'm not being mean. Love you guys. Egg, not eat. And part of everything. It's neat. Physics is neat. It's crazy. It's beautiful. And I've never seen it like this. I don't think anybody has. Huh? Well, maybe they have. I've seen it in like architecture and stuff. It's amazing. Even some of the stuff. Hey, I don't know. Who is this? My daughter, no. You're not married yet. I love you. All right. I love you guys. I miss you guys. I miss my kids so much, man.